Project AIM, Student Information Management System. This project involves developing a student information management system, SIMS, in R. The system will manage and manipulate student data for three subjects: math, science, and English. It will use control statements, loops, and functions to handle various operations such as adding student records, updating scores, calculating averages, and displaying student information. Objectives: implement a student information management system in R, utilize control statements, loops, and functions to manage student data, perform operations like adding, updating, and displaying student records, calculate average scores, and determine the highest and lowest scores. Step-by-step implementation. Step 1. Define data structure. Create a data structure to store student information, including names and scores for math, science, and English. Step 2. Define functions. Function to add student records. Create a function to add a new student record to the system, like student name and marks score in all three subjects. Function to update student scores. Create a function to update the scores of an existing student. So here is the code below. Function to calculate average scores. Create a function to calculate the average scores for a student. So the code for calculating the average score is below. Function to display student information. Create a function to display the information of a specific student. So the function is function to display all students. Create a function to display the information of all students. Function to find the highest and lowest scores. Create a function to find the student with the highest and lowest scores in each subject. Step 3. Create interactive menu. Create an interactive menu to allow users to perform various operations on student records. So the various operations which have to perform, such as add student, update scores, calculate average, display student information, display all students, find highest and lowest scores, and last one is for exit. First function we have created is for add students with name and scoring details. Second function is for update a score of students. Third function is for calculate the average marks of subject of all students. Fourth function is to display the details of students. Fifth function is to display the details of all the students in data set. Sixth function is to find lowest and highest score. Output: adding students. First, we need to add students to our system. The system prompts us to enter the student's name and their scores for math, science, and English. Here, we add a student named Elise Joseph with her respective scores. The system confirms that Elise has been added successfully. Now we add another student named Marie Curie. Updating a student, we can update the student's scores by entering their name and the new scores. If we leave a field blank, the current score remains unchanged. In this example, we update Eli's math score to 60 and his English score is 84 and science score is 74. The system confirms the update. Calculate average. We can also calculate average by entering student's name. So here we entered student name as Elise and we got the average score here. Display student's information. We can display the information of a specific student by entering their name. Here, we enter Elise's name, and the system displays her scores and average score. Displaying all students, we can also display information for all students in the system. The system iterates through each student, displaying their scores. And average scores. Find the highest and lowest scores. To find the highest and lowest scores in a specific subject, we enter the subject name. Here, we choose math, and the system displays Marie as having the highest score and Elise the lowest. Exiting the system. Finally, we can exit the system by choosing the exit option. The system confirms that it is exiting. Summary: this project outlines the implementation of a student information management system in R. The system manages student records for 3 subjects: math, science, and English. It includes functions for adding, updating, and displaying student information, calculating average scores, and finding the highest and lowest scores. An interactive menu allows users to perform various operations on the student records, making it a comprehensive tool for managing student data.